Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to talk about some concept called platform independent. Okay, so whenever the people who's talking about Java, the first thing which will come into your mind, Java is a platform independent programming language. Okay, so let's talk about how it is called as a platform independent and what is the reason behind it. Okay, so we know that the JVM which will execute the bytecode generated by the compiler. That's what we discussed in the previous slide, right? So that is the JVM part of work. So JVM will execute the bytecode. Okay. For example, I have a Windows machine and you have a Mac machine and somebody else have a Linux machine. So if it is a platform independent, your code has to work in all the environment in the same manner. If you're writing a hello world program, if you're running in the program in your Windows machine, it has to run hello world. And Mac, it has to return the same output. Even in Linux, it has to return the same output. So you're writing a code in a Windows platform, or you're writing your code in a specific operating system, and you're trying to execute the same code in a different operating systems. Okay, so basically, what does that mean? You written a code in one place and you are executing in a different places or different operating system. That particular concept is called as a platform independent because you're writing the code once and you're running the code in across multiple platforms. Here the platform in the sense means it is Windows, Linux, Mac or even Android OS. Okay, so those things are comes under a platform independent, right? So what is next? Okay, so I know why Java is called as a platform independent, and we discussed something about bytecode generation. I said the Java compiler will generate bytecode with the help of the Java file. So if you have a hello world.java, the compiler will generate hello world.class file. So what is bytecode generation? Correct? As I mentioned earlier, even though if you are working in a Mac, Windows, Linux, each and everything is a different platform, but all the machines can understand machine language. Machine language is nothing but 0 and 1s, which is a bytecode. Okay, so you can write a code and you can compile in Mac machine and it will generate a bytecode. That particular bytecode which can run in Windows because machine can understand zeros and ones, right? And the same thing will work in Linux also. Okay, so here the common language is a machine understandable language called machine language. So which is a 0 and 1, right? So when you write a code in a one single particular platform, it can run in any environment with the help of the bytecode conversion, which will done by the JVM. Okay, then now we'll see how the JVM has been, the bytecode has been generated. Okay, so you have a file called hello world.java. Okay, that is a source file. Okay, so now we need to have a Java development kit. So when you install the Java development kit, it contains the compiler. Correct? So the hello world.java file will transform the file to a compiler. So compiler what it will do? It will convert hello world.java into a hello world.class file, which is a bytecode. Right? So once the bytecode is ready, your JVM has the ability to execute the program. Correct? Because JVM knows how to process a bytecode. So it will takes the bytecode and it will give you the output. Okay, the hardware platform is nothing but it is your operating system because your software has been installed on any machine, right? Maybe Windows or a Mac or Linux. So the hardware platform is operating system. Okay, and there is something called JRE. So what is the JRE? So JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so when you install JDK, it comes along with the JRE. Okay, so JRE is needed only to execute a bytecode, correct? But when if it is a JRE, it cannot compile the program. Okay, so it will take only the compiled code, which is nothing but a bytecode. Then it will execute the code. Okay, we'll talk about the JRE in the upcoming videos. Thank you.